dancing.
Are you dancing?
You're ready, girl, tonight.
My goodness, I'd say so. You gonna get on the mattress? Oh. Poppy, that's you, Poppy. Ah. Tell him, say, let's do the fun chair.
Oh, you chocolate milk down?
She likes the chocolate milk. She wants to take those shoes off. She says, I'm not quite used to the little thongs with my toes. Ah, she needs some stuff, Poppy. Oh, bless you. Give her the container. I think that's what she wants. That right there, that big empty. Yes. Ah, put them in. Yeah, good job. Can you do it, little girl? Yeah. Hi. Sit. Whoops, Papa's in the... Say, ribbit! 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 What? What's this cough you've got tonight? Was that from being outside in that wind? It's so blowing on you? Is it all blowing? Or is that something else? Yeah. Oh, where does that go? That goes on your little seat over here. What you doing, Noby Rowe? Ah. Oh, this is going to be too long, and my battery's going to die, of course.